One eternity later.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you my own program that's like Minecraft, and it's called Text Build. Here it is. And when you try to open it, it shows all my Python files. This is the block model, and these are the textures. And this is the actual Python file. So let's change directory to the desktop. And also change our directory again to text build, and then do Python free, and what's called textbuild.py. Oh. Enter. And when that happens, your CNET opens. It's the modeling engine that I used for this. And here it is. When you right click, brick appears, and when you left click, block disappears. Like this is make one and delete. And as you can see, there's 2 layers of stone and 1 layer of grass. So let's try making tugs. So basically what it does is it creates a block, and then it'll multiply that block by like 30 times 30, and for the stone it just does the same thing except changes the texture and puts it below. And 2x, and when you create a block, it checks if you right clicked, and if you did, then it'll use that same create block script, and then you keep on making your blocks. That's how it works. And if you left click, it'll destroy whatever the pointer is facing. And that's basically it. It also has you've seen a first player. You've seen a particle thing, and yes, if you fall into the void, you're out of luck, because literally, like, also you cannot fly. So if you're in the void, you're out of luck, because, well, let's reload it. There it is. Holy cow. What's happening? Oh my god, my mouse is not working. There we go, text build. And if we open it up, again, here you go. So, also you cannot fly. This is basically kind of like the Minecraft, original Minecraft PE version. That's basically it. So, anyways, that's all for this. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys like it. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you all with the Enderman